we'll learn how to multiply complex numbers. So we've given number 1 there. We've given 2 plus j3 multiplied by 4 plus j6. We multiply 4 multiplied by 4 will be 8 plus j plus 2 multiplied by j6 will be j12 plus j3 multiplied by 4 will be plus 12j. It's one and the same thing. Multiply that will be plus j squared. 3 times 6 will be 18. So we'll have this 8 plus, we add these 2's, will be 24j minus what will be that? I squared, it's the same as minus 1 multiplied by 18. So we have 18 plus 24j. Here we have positive, this and this will be negative 18. You add the real part with the real part, the imaginary with the imaginary. So here we have minus, we have positive 10 plus 24j. That is what you have. Number 2, we've given to multiply negative 6 minus j3 minus 4 minus j7. We multiply. When you distribute, we have positive 24. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 4 will be negative 24 plus this multiplied by that will be positive j42. This multiplied by this will be positive j12 multiplied by that positive j squared 21. We have 24 plus j42. You add these 2's, the real parts, the imaginary and the imaginary. Adding this will have j54 plus, but this guy is equals to minus 1 multiplied by what? By 21. This will be 24 plus j54 minus 21. 24 minus 21 will have 3 plus j54. So this is how you go about dealing with these things. So we've given number 3. We have 2 minus j3 minus 4 plus j16. Then we have to multiply. 2 multiplied by that will be negative 8. Multiply again by that will be positive 30. Positive 32j. Then multiply by this guy will be positive 12j multiply will be negative j squared 48. Then we have minus 8 plus 32j. We add these 2's. Let me not go there. Let me just add these 2's. They're very quick. We have j44 minus, this will be negative 1 multiplied by 48. We have minus 8 plus j44. This will be positive 1 multiplied by that will be plus 48. This and this will have 40 plus J44. So this is how you go about dealing with this thing. So we're given again number 4 to multiply 2 plus J0 minus 3 plus J7. We distribute there. This will be minus 6 distribute plus J14 distribute will be simply equals to what? it is 0 anyways. This will be plus 0 plus 0 anyway. So this will be negative 6 plus J14. Right, so 5, number 5 we are given them 2 minus J3 into 2 plus J3. So this is like a difference of 2 squares. As you can see, these are just difference of 2 squares. This is a conjugate, simply conjugate, we call that conjugate. So this will be same as 2 raised to the power of 2 minus J3 raised to the power of 2. This will be 4. This will be J squared 3 squared, whereby it's what is 9. So this will be 9. 4 minus this guy is minus 1. Then this will be 4, will be plus 9. This will give us 13. Those are conjugates pairs. Alright. So multiplying the conjugate. So we have, in other words, when you're okay, we are multiplying. Those are conjugates. We have again minus 4 minus J minus 4 plus J. We have minus 4. We have this. This is a difference of 2 squares again. So this will be the same as minus 4 squared minus J squared. This will be 16 minus this guy is the same as minus 1. This will be 16 plus 1. This will give us 17. That is what we have there. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.